swingful week it was for silver last week, where it is dropped till towards 2060 and again shown a good rally till towards 2170 levels, closing the week at about 2140, which is a very good support level. But remember, 2140 2160 is a no trade zone where you will find the optimal and strong resistance on the upside and the downside. Well, so now what to expect next week? Can we expect silver to rally? Can we expect it to drop? And if yes, which positions we should take in order to make profit, whether to buy, whether to sell? Now we'll see with the help of charts and indicators. First we'll look into charts, followed with indicators. Towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which will keep you updated with the daily analysis for silver, which I share very early in the day with the Asia session. So let's start. First let's have a look at the charts here. On the daily charts you'll find, see the previous two candles after a couple of bullish candles, these were the retracement candles. And if you see silver trading above 2160 any point of time next week, certainly you can stay long and you can expect it to rise. I will look forward to 2180 and 2200. 2200 is a very good resistance. 2200 2220 zone is a very good resistance for silver. As beyond that, if it sustains about 2200 levels, certainly you can expect that we may see 2400 again very soon for silver. Now what it is trying to do on the daily charts, let's have a look into further detail. Now see this, higher lows have started to display here, then suddenly the bullishness accelerated here, and you will find that it is trying to trade in this bullish channel, giving you higher lows, higher highs. So there is a probability that if it sustains about 2100 2120 zone, the next target is directly till towards 2300 and 2400 levels. So I'll wait for it to pass by. Now it is showing you little strength. It is trying to grow bullish from here. But look at this time's high versus what we saw earlier. The slope had certainly changed, and hence bullishness is trying to suppress a bit. However, it is still in the green zone. Till the time it trades about $20, you can expect that the silver might remain bullish for the rest of coming few weeks. This is one observation on the daily charts. Now for next week, as we saw, if you see it trading about 2160, you can buy. You can expect 2180, $22, and then beyond that strong bullish move till towards 2250, 2300, 2350 and 2400 levels in next few weeks can be achievable. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the weekly. On the weekly charts also, first let's have a look at last 2 weeks, and you will find lower highs, lower lows. I'll wait for it to break past by this zone at 2160. Beyond that, certainly I look forward to 2200, 2220, very strong resistance, and beyond that it is going to fly high. Remember, $22 is certainly a very good resistance as well as the support level. So once it sustains about 2200, it will try to trade within this zone, that is 22 to 24, and that is why it is just shying away to enter into those levels and sustain those levels. Now also look at now the near term charts. You'll find higher lows, you'll find higher highs. This time the highs were not very much there, and if it continues to trade about $22, as I told you, $24 is the next target, and hence you can remain or bullish on silver if it trades about $22. Now also at the same time, now if you look at lower highs, lower lows trading below 2120 levels, you can again go short and expect it to drop. How far it can? Yes, 2050 levels are definitely a very good support, and below that $20 levels, the maximum support lies at $20 levels, below which only you can expect that the bearishness might be seen in silver. This is on the weekly charts. Look at the monthly charts here. On the monthly charts, you'll find this is an expanding triangle where you'll find, see the slope here, the highs are well connected, the lows are well connected, and this is an expanding triangle. This is a bullish triangle. Hence only bearish confirmation on the monthly charts is if it trades below $19 levels, and that is where the monthly charts will show you the bearish confirmation. Look at the increasing body size and the step here. One small body, a doji, a greener body, and the next candle which we'll see if it sustains above $22 for the month of December, you can directly expect it to hit $24, which is going to be the next destination and a stronger resistance zone. Now, why it is going to be a stronger resistance zone? You can find out that the silver is trying to trade in this zone, and hence for next month, probably $24, $25 are going to come into picture, which is a very, very good resistance zone. Hence, achieving those levels, achieving the highs of this channel, it can again try to reverse from there. Possibility exists that it may show you the bullish momentum for next month, that is the month of December also, before it starts to crash again in the year 2023. So we have seen the charts also. Let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, see it plateaued here at 2160, saw a good drop. Now again trying to reverse here, it is trying to trade in this. Once you see it trading about 2160, stay long for 2180, $22, and then beyond that it is going to fly high. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. So we have seen the charts, and on indicators front, you will find that the 20 period moving average is giving it a support here at 2120 levels. Very good support level, because below that, yes, it has got the support at 2150, 2140, 2040, 2050 and $20, which is a maximum support you can find out. The 100 period moving average is also not far away, and hence 19.4, 19.5 makes it a very strong resistance zone. The directional movement is bullish so far, trying to converge here. The stochastic is overbought, and that is what makes silver hesitant of a further stronger bullish move. The MACD is trading in red here. It is not yet crossed over it, and it is not yet completely bearish. It is trading with very little divergence, indicating not much of strength to go downside or upside. The RSI is looking downwards here, and if you look at the weekly chart, on the weekly charts, you will find the 50 and 100 period moving average. 50 period moving average at 2180, $22 levels, and then 2350, $24 levels, the 100 period moving average. See, these are divergent. It's still not indicating a convergence here. So once they start converging and crossover, then you can confirm that there is little bullishness. But at the same time, look at the 20 period moving average. This is started to converge, indicating that the bullish momentum can be sooner or later there. And yes, 1950, $19 levels certainly be a good support there. The on the downside and on the upside, $24 levels is going to be a very, very good resistance. The directional movement is moderately bullish. The stochastic is near to overbought. It is trying to converge again, and in recent past, whenever we have seen silver achieving those levels, we have seen a good drop. That is one observation. Since last few years we have seen this. Only sustenance we had seen earlier was in 2020 and below, above levels, you can say previous years. So this we need to look at. The MACD has crossed over here, and it is divergent and bullish since then. Now see, it has seen the peak here, and it may start to converge. So that is one aspect to look at it, and hence $22 certainly be going to be a very good stronger resistance on the upside. The RSI is looking upwards, and if you look at the monthly, on the monthly charts, the 20, 50, 100 period moving average is far below at $18, and see the resistance there on 20 period moving average at $23 levels is going to be good resistance. Before that, $22 level should come into picture. So yes, wait for it to break past 2160 next week. You can stay long for 2180, $22, 2220, and beyond 2220, just stay long for the rest few weeks. You can expect 2350, $24 as the next targets. The directional movement crossing over for bullish moves. The stochastic rising from the oversold zone, now looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge here and cross over for a bullish move. I'll wait for it to. The RSI is looking upwards, indicating little bullishness. So we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and levels for next week. And before I give you the levels, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits, equip yourself with the right tools and strategy for you to be a profitable trader, join my mentorship batch starting 28th of November. This is the 17th mentorship batch and the last batch for this year 2022. So yes, do not miss this. Only 2 seats are left, couple of seats are left. Join this. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email, both mentioned in the channel description. If you go to the home page and if you click into the about section, you will find the description, and in that you will find my email ID and Telegram ID to connect with me. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. So let's start now. Next week, as I said, 2160 is the level it has to sustain, above which you can expect 2180, 2200 and 2220. Now till 2220, do not consider this as extremely bullish. Beyond that, I will consider that as extremely bullish breakout. 2250, 2300, 2350 and 2400 in next few weeks. Yes, it can try to attempt and achieve those levels if it continues to trade above 2200 levels. On the downside, where to sell? Yes, I will recommend you to sell here at 2140 certainly be a good support, but I'll recommend you to sell at 2135. Below that, you can expect 2120 as the maximum support, 2110 as the next support, then 2100 should come into picture. Below that, a good draw for 2080, 2060, 2040 and $20 levels can be expected. Now remember this fact, yes, markets can swing either which ways, but only thing which can save you is smaller the risk, smaller the target and more achievable the target, closing at the targets and re-entering again. So yes, we know that once it has taken a trend, and however it is not to be considered as bearish till the time silver trades about $20, and hence every drop is an opportunity for you to close your trade in profit if you are on a sell side, and then if you see it again trading in the same direction, retake it again. Who denies you to take 100 trades? Nobody does. But yes, catch the little moves will definitely safeguard your profits and interest. So either shift your stop loss to cost or the target price at the first milestone and keep trading. Else book 50% and keep trading the rest. Else close completely and re-enter again if you see it in every direction. So see, if you gain little by little, definitely you will increase your wealth. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.